to my YouTube channel. Whether you have short hair, long hair, well cut hair, name them all, it doesn't matter. These are the styles for you. I'm going to be showing you how you can style one scarf in one different way, or let's say a style. How do I put it? The best way in which you can style a scarf easily, whether it's short, long, huge, name them all. I got you covered on all that. And as we dive into that, please make sure that you do like this video, share us out there, talk to me in the comment section, tell me nipe maoni mafupi, and make sure that you do subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming tutorial. In the meantime, well, don't worry about my hair or how I look, but the look that is going to be coming, we are going to love it. So let's dive into it. So apparently the first query is, what do you need? Well, in this case you just need your head. If you have long hair, just comb your hair towards the back or towards the center in a manner that maybe you can hold all of it towards here at the back, right above your neck. If you have short hair, well and good, you can just comb it towards the back. If you're bald, even better. So in this case, you're going to be using two different types of scarves. So we have this one, a tiny one, a little bit, and you're going to be seeing the outcome of each. So it doesn't matter the size of the scarf that you have, you can always make it smaller or big. The results will be almost the same, just the size of the ending that might be different. Remember, we have done so many tutorials, so make sure that you do check out the description for a bonus link for more tutorials on hair and style. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with this one. It's small in size. I'll make sure that you place it on your head from the back, like that. And then this tip of this end and this one, they touch each other. Let's say make sure that the length is of the same size, and then pull it towards the front a little bit. You have something like that. I have placed it above my ears, making sure all the hairs are on the inside, like that. Okay, and then afterwards I make a knot. You have to look at the manner in which I make the knot. I am picking it from inside, you see, or like you can say it like that, or like this. I really hope you're seeing this, like that, to have your first knot right there. I know we have a space on the inside. Remember, if you don't like the way this scarf mine looks at the end, and the edges, you can always fold it a little bit. And then you have something like that. The next thing is, with the one knot tied, rotate it. You rotate this one and then this one, and then you bring them together. Rotate this one, and then bring them together. Rotate this, the other one, bring them together. Do that like that up to the end. Please make sure you like this video, shares out there, tell someone about this channel, and subscribe. Remember, you have to make sure it's at the center, and then rotate it. Hold it like this. Then make a rotation around your arm. Oops, around your arm. And then this one you can always tuck it in. To have something as easy as that one. That is with a small scarf. Now, if you had a bigger scarf, I believe this thing will be way bigger. Let's try out. This is how it looks from the back. We normally then have some kofias that look like this. So let's try with a bigger scarf, just a little bit bigger. We'll see what we'll have in the end, how the outcome will be. You see, this one is way bigger. How you see it's bigger, it's covering the entire head, unlike the other one, which had left some beads here. You'll just do the same. This one is trying to play games with me. So in this case, with it like that, having I noticed I didn't show you how it looks from the back. You'll just pull the extra ones towards the top. I'll show you another way in which you can work on that, like that. Then let go, and then make your fold. Your first knot, just the manner in which we did previously. Then you rotate this, and then fix, rotate, fix, rotate, fix, rotate, fix to the end, and then do that. Mine is a little bit on the side, but remember you can place it at the center on the side, just the manner in which you want. And then you can always choose to like accessorize or something. Like this one is easy. It's way easier. Accessorize, blah blah blah, do all the things you want. If you wanted it to be smaller, if you have a very huge scarf, it's giving you a hard time, all you do is fold the scarf twice. And then this side, which is folded, you place it at the back of your head. I think I've overdone my folding. Just do it a little bit. You place it. You see, it's way smaller and easier, no stressing. You can always do the band if you want, and then rotate. It's not that complicated. The process is all entirely the same. Like the entire thing is all similar. The steps are all the same, just making things easier for you. Remember, we've done so many tutorials on hair, bandanas, and all, so make sure to check the description for a bonus link. And yeah, keep on trying, you're going to perfect it, okay? The more you do it, the easier it gets, okay? And let's catch up in the next update. If you want to watch more of my videos, just click right here and see you.